Namaste and welcome. Close your eyes gently. Get yourself into a comfortable position. And now, take a slow deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Again, inhale deeply and exhale completely. Bring your awareness to your body. Feel the support beneath you. Notice the weight of your body. Notice that you are here in this moment, safe and present. Bring your attention to your breath. No need to change it. Just observe. Now gently bring your awareness to any feeling, emotion, or situation that you want to transform completely and forever. Maybe it's fear, anger, sadness, disappointment or guilt, or any emotion that has stayed with you for long enough. Do not judge it, just notice it. And check within your body. Ask yourself, where do I feel this emotion in my body? Scan your body. Where do you feel this emotion is stored in your body? Is it in your chest, your throat, your head or neck, stomach, shoulders, or somewhere else? Simply scan and locate where do you feel it most in your body. Now imagine this feeling has a shape. What shape does it have? Is it big or small, heavy or light? Notice its color. Does it have a texture? Is it rough, smooth, dense, moving, or simply still? Just observe the color, the shape, the texture of this feeling at a location in your body. You are not the feeling, you are the one simply observing the feeling. Take a moment to be fully aware of this sensation. Now, as you carry this feeling with your awareness, you will gently go back to the memory lane, sometime in the past, when you think this feeling emerged first and became stronger. Allow your mind's eye to take you wherever it wants to take. You are not going there to relive it. You are only going there as an observer, like watching a scene on a screen. Going back in past, going down the memory lane, wherever this feeling became stronger. Trust your mind's eye, what it wants to show you now. Observe, where are you? What is happening inside you at that moment? Are you feeling the same emotion in your body at exactly same place? What did you need then? What would you have wanted to happen differently? Maybe you needed understanding, maybe support, maybe love, maybe respect, or simply freedom to express yourself. Allow yourself to see that younger version of you. And now, from your present self, offer that version of you what was missing. Give yourself the words you needed to say at that moment. Give yourself the support you needed at that moment. Simply imagine rewriting that scene the way you wanted it to happen. See it unfolding in a new way, a way where you are heard, a way where you are supported, a way where you feel empowered. Let your mind create a new possibility. Take a deep breath. Now gently return to the present moment. Come back gently, just to the present moment. Imagine in front of you there is a beautiful flower in this present moment. This flower carries a divine healing energy. It knows exactly how to transform. Allow this flower to absorb that emotion, the one you gave a name, a shape, a color, a texture, exactly that emotion where you scanned where it lives in your body. Allow this flower to absorb that old emotion from your body fully and completely. Visualize that emotion lifting from your body as this flower extracts it. See the heaviness, the fear, the old memory, the old reaction. Watch it being gently extracted. The flower takes it with love. Let it go. Let the flower extract this old feeling, the old memory, the old reaction fully and completely from your body. And as it absorbs the old energy, notice your body becoming lighter. The space where the old feeling was is now left open, for you to choose a new feeling you want to bring into your life now. What would you want? Maybe peace, confidence, trust, strength, or calmness. What is this new feeling you would want to live in that exact same point in your body? Choose your new state. Imagine this new feeling entering your body from the universe, entering as a divine light into your body. Feel it moving through your chest, your heart, your whole body. Let it settle into every cell. Breathe it in fully and completely. Breathe it in. Feel this feeling of calmness, courage, confidence, or whatever you want to enter into your body, into every cell, expanding and expanding and expanding all across your body. Just breathe it in. This is your new inner response. This is the energy you carry forward now. Imagine yourself moving through your daily life with this new feeling. You see yourself handling situations differently, responding differently, feeling more grounded. This new state is now becoming familiar. Take a deep breath. Place your hand on your heart and silently say, I release what is old. I welcome what is aligned. I carry this new energy with me. Say it one more time. I release what is old. I welcome what is aligned. I carry this new energy with me. Take one final deep breath. Slowly bring awareness back to your body. Feel your feet, your hands, and whenever you are ready, gently open your eyes to go ahead with your day with this newly found feeling. I'm Sarika Siradna. Subscribe and follow for more.